It's turning great. It's puffing up. Oh. Oh.
I think we can, do you see this? We can add color. Aria, go.
Yes.
You want that?
Different colors.
We can try different colors. What do you want? Para dito sa akin.
What goes along with pink or red?
You can try first. Ilagay mo yung pink or red.
So let's try the pink. I think we will say there's like light and dark. So here's the pink. I think pink suits it better. Yep, we're going to pink.
Okay. Then cut it a little bit like this. Here. So cut it here. Okay. So we can
Wait,
replace
grab.
this.
Okay, wait. I'll give you my pencil so I don't have to. Wait. Put it. Put that.
Cut the line.
Scissors.
Oh wait, I need the scissors. Where's the extra scissors? That it. Or Aria.
I think I'm doing good. And is this good?
Yeah. Medicine.
Medicine.
Okay. I'm looking for
What is this called?
the stethoscope is
Uh,
it's here, right? This is a what is it called?
Stethoscope.
Stethoscope. And you have the syringe like do this.
I want to use it.
Lapit na luto yung snacks namin. Yun o. Mga 10 minutes na lang. Luto na yan yung snacks namin. Strawberry cake.
Thingies.
No, we need the ball pen to write.
Gusto niya ang sound ng kita tutatut. Ah, 5.
Hmm.
Tita tutatut. Tita tutatut. Tita tutatut. Ah, gusto niya ang tita tutati. Tita tutati. Tita tutatut. Tita tutatut. Tita Gusto mo kita ang white?
Extensive.
extensive education, training, and commitment to helping others throughout medical care. It's a profession that involves...
May kapareho ka kaya ng doktor?
Huh?
May kapareho ka kaya ng doktor?
Eh.
Hindi.
It's a profession that involves extensive. It's a profession.
Oh, read it aloud para masasanay ka.
It's a profession that involves
Extensive.
it's a profession that involves...
You want me to change the words?
Uh,
Kaso wala na ako makikita.
no.
Okay. Oh, ulit.
It's a profession that involves extensive education, training, and a commitment to helping others throughout medical care.
Okay. A
Also,
doctor, also known doctors, also known as physicians.
doctor,
Hindi, also known as physicians.
also known as physician,
Next na.
work in a
Variety.
variety of settings from hospitals and clinics to provide
Private.
private practices, and their roles can range from general
Practitioners.
practitioners to specialized
Specialists.
specialists in
Various.
various medical fields.
Remember the specialist I told you about? You want to be what? Pediatrician. Buti talagang lagyan natin ng design sa taas.
Papaya strawberry.
Lalagyan pa kaya natin ng glaze yan? Tikman muna natin, no? Kung super sweet na. Huwag na.
Pwede na yan.
Daddy, I'm coming on a little kid.
Yo, ano lapit kita kasi wala kang kausap dun. Alam ko gusto mo marites. No? Oh.
Smiling naman siya.
Smiling ka na naman. Gusto mo talaga marites. Right? Right?
Right?
Laway na naman eh. Say. Meron na naman siyang iwawala. Ay, maliliit pala to. Ano kayo? Oo, bakit ako?
Does it is arrow. Pointing kay Daddy. Ito si Rere, ito si Mami, ito si Tetes, ito ako. Tools, and then that's for me. Wow. I don't want to use them. I don't want to use them.
Eh, pinili pa natin kung hindi mo ako kumana na.
Excited.
Gwapo naman niya.
When baby saw this, he was stomping his feet. So gusto niya.
Yung tape na lang. Yung natin yung tape.
Wala daw siya.
Hindi mo dapat ganito kakapal o para lang sa ano tayo? Ay, ang ganda niya oh.
Nata. Ganun siya bisa agad.
Ito pala, nalagyan natin ang design sa taas oh.
Categories. Oh, smoky goodness.
Oh, look at that!
Smoky.
Ang ganda oh.
Good.
Tingnan ko.
Oh.
Oh, strawberry oh.
Strawberry Nutella sandwich. Good. Or mainit.
Good na. Maasim.
Try mo. Try mo. Fire. That just made a fire.
Sarap. Sarap. Strawberry dip.
Professional ba? Professional? Hindi.
Professional. I make this 7,5,175,000,000,000 quadruple infinity one.
What?
Kasi meron Nutella. Andus na.
Very good na?
Gusto niyo ng walang base?
Hmm.
Talaga?
Very good na.
Try natin.
Ang dami po hindi na ginawa ko.
Nutella ito. Gusto ko ang crust.
Very good yung may Nutella, no? May nagkaano ba siya? Nagka-design.
This one's so hard.
Ooh, look at that! Ang init!
This one has a lot.
Strawberry or Nutella.
Nutella. Look, mommy.
Next, if you want dip, pwedeng gawin dip.
I want a different my crust. I'll tear it apart. My crust.
Grabe, usok ko. Hindi mainit, Arya?
Yeah.
Ako nainit na sa'yo. Mmm.
Like that. I like it. Look at the bottom. Mommy, look bottom.
Sorry, Barrett. Daddy mo na lang sa akin, mamaya.
Sabi niya, that's okay, Mommy. I want Daddy.
What the baby? Chill lang, chill.
So now lang ang baby natin.
I like it with glaze. How about
Okay.
you? But I think next time we need to add more Nutella. Sarap man siya yung may Nutella.
Dami baby.
Hindi natin pwedeng ano. Look at that.
Next time,
Para siyang jam.
should we try to make Nutella cookies?
Yes, Barrett.
Hungry na ako, Mommy. Di pa ako nagtete. Only one now. There's no kain.
Hindi siya nagdede.
Bye-bye na. Bye. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Tagal pa yung Mother's Day.
Ayan.
Wala pa mang May.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, Barrett. Thank you, subscribers.
How many subscribers na?
800 pa lang.
Sa'yo man yan eh.